mag-tour tayo dito sa G1 Garlex. Ayan, lahat na every plants or every tuber, meron ng ganito. Oh. Ayan. But still not bloom. When open totally this one, Dar? Flowers? End of this month, this will become all open, all this one. So every trees, every what you call this, every tubers of G1 Garlex, there is like this. Ayan. Oh. Very nice to see, but it's more nice to see when it's already totally open, these flowers. Ayan. So punta tayo doon. Ayan. And end of this month, inshallah, all these flowers will totally open. And first week or second week of next month, June, we will harvest this one, inshallah. Ayan. Oh. Ay, mag-tour tayo, tour. Yan, yan ah. And then all that bees, they will eat these flowers. Sipsipin nila yung yung flowers nito. Ayan. These are all G1 Garlex. Ayun sila kay super busy kung ano yung ginagawa, nagme-maintain ng kung ano-ano dito, alaga ng kambing. Ayan. Ayan, meron din doon sa baba, G1 Garlex, pero konti lang doon. Not too much, but here up, there is more here. Ayan. Yun doon, oh. This one corns, Dar. Come already, Dar, corns. Mashallah, yan na yung mga palabas na yung corns. 1 week ago already this one, no? 2 weeks ago. Ha? Yan, sila kayo. Daming ginagawa. So, ayan yung mga G1 Garlex. And then, we have new vegetable coming here. This is fenugreek leaves. Ayan, ito. Fenugreek leaves. Ito, may mga spinach din. Ito, spinach yan. Yan. May coriander leaves din. Yan, mga coriander leaves yan. O kaya parsley. And then, ito naman yung flowers ng coriander leaves. Yan. And ito naman yung bagong tanim, bagong dilig nila kayo. Ayan yung battle gourd, yung patola. Ayan oh. May kamatis din. Ayan mga kamatis. Ayan kamatis. Ayan mga battle gourd ito oh. Ayan. Madami oh. Dito din kami nagtanim last year. Last 2 years ago also. Dito din kami nagtanim ng battle gourd, yung patola. Tori tawag nila. Ayan, ang dami. May kamatis. Ayan. Ayan. Ito malaki na. Oh. Ay, may flowers na. Ayan. So, inshallah, marami kaming maha-harvest na G1 garlics, inshallah. And then yung sorry, na tuloy ako na. Yung normal or ordinary garlics, it's ready now to harvest. Kasi mas nauna kaming nagtanim ng yung ordinary garlics. Ito yung ordinary garlics. Ayan, nag-yellow na yung mga leaves. So tomorrow, inshallah, or any other day, harvest na ito. Ayan, ito yung mga ordinary garlics. Ayan, humiga na yan. Ito yung mga tubers ng ordinary garlics. Ayan. Ito pala pwede gulayin ito. Ayan oh. Yung bata pa. Ayan yung kambing namin. Yan yung black. 5 to 6 months ago na yata ito. Yan, ito yung kambing na nanganak noong last May 8. Tatlo, kaya lang namatay yung isa. After 1 day namatay yung isa. So dalawa yung nabuhay. Ayan. Yan, yung Rawlacot City, may sikat ng araw pa doon oh. Ayan.